Hi, I'm Brenda Cadman, and in today's quick Canva tutorial, I'll walk you through how to find your color hex code values so that you can add your exact color palette into Canva's brand kit. So let's jump into Canva. Previously only available on a Canva Enterprise account, Canva introduced multiple brand kits to Canva Pro in June 2021, and this is an incredibly helpful feature to have access to if you are someone who has multiple businesses or multiple brands or who manages multiple different clients. In the past, you had to either upgrade to an Enterprise account or come up with a creative workaround to be able to have at hand access to all of your multiple brand kit assets. But now it's super simple to set up and access multiple brand kits, so let me show you where you'll find that. If you're on Canva Pro, you'll simply navigate to the brand kit area here, and then you'll click on this option that has been added that says Add Brand Kit. You'll be prompted to give this new brand kit a name, so you'll most likely give it the name of your client or whatever the brand is. So I'm just going to call this ABC Company. At this point, you'll now see a blank brand kit, so you can add your logos, your color palette, and your fonts for this new brand. And then anytime you go to the brand kit area again in the future, you will now have the option to choose which brand kit you want to access. So how do you access the multiple brand kits from within a design? Let's open up a test design and take a look. I will select this shape here and I'm going to go change the color. So I'll click on the color picker option, and when I do that, I'll see my initial brand kit show up here, but you'll see there's also a downward chevron next to it, which indicates that there is another brand kit option to select from. It will show me thumbnails of all the brand kits that are available to choose from, but you can also search for it by keyword, which will be incredibly convenient if you have a ton of client brand kits to choose from. So for example, if you're a virtual assistant or a social media manager, you may have a lot of brand kits that you need to sort through. And this way you can quickly find the exact one that you're looking for without having to scroll through all of the visual thumbnails. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. And you can do a 45-day free Canva Pro trial by going to brendacadman.com/Canva. Stay tuned for more quick Canva tips and tutorials. And if you want to know how to create consistently on-brand graphics and marketing materials for your business, check out the Create Your Canva Brand Kit in 5 Days mini course.